This video is my formal petition to bring Carlotta de Limón to Europe because this is the easiest dessert. It's lemony, it's fresh, it's summery, and it only takes 5 ingredients and 5 minutes to make. Honestly, Mexico has been gatekeeping, and if you want to learn how to make it, just keep watching the video. So, I have everything in front of me as per usual, and it's only 5 ingredients. I told you you're gonna love me for this recipe. So what we have now is condensed milk, and we're gonna pour 200 grams of this. And remember, I am doing a small batch, but you can just double the recipe. We're gonna zero the scale, and now we have evaporated milk. So I couldn't find any on in the shops, but if you do, you can just buy it. So I just made it myself. Basically, you just simmer milk on medium heat for about 45 minutes to an hour until it halves in size, and you have evaporated milk. It's super easy. Look, my rustic jar. Just 200 milliliters of this. Ooh. Not very pretty. I'll get the tissue. Oh, and if you don't have a mixer, don't worry, you can just mix it by hand. It will take a bit longer, but if you have the time. And then I have 90 milliliters of squeezed lime juice. If you don't want to squeeze it, you just buy it from the shop. I won't tell anyone. It's okay. Nobody's gonna call you lazy. Here. And then we have cream cheese. Nearly forgot, had to look. We have cream cheese, about maybe 100 grams. This will help make it creamy. Whoop. And that is done. And now we're gonna mix everything, and I'll see you right now. Back. So we have our mixture. I paused it halfway through and scraped the sides so nothing like sticks to the side, and then mixed it again. So now I'm just scraping the sides again, and we are going to assemble. I told you it was a quick recipe. And now comes the assembly part. So I'm just gonna do it straight from the mixer. We don't want that many dishes. I have another dish here. And I have my biscuits. So traditionally, in Carlotta de Limón, they use Maria biscuits, but we don't have those because we're not in Mexico. So we're just using plain tea biscuits, and that's completely fine. If you're in the UK, you can use digestives, plain ones, no chocolate. So we're just starting to pour the mixture. And just spread it on the surface. The spoon is easier. Now this part does take a bit of time, but it is like meditation in my opinion. So we have our biscuits here, and just line them in the bottom. Now, taking our halves. We can find another one. Yeah. And the biscuits are gonna be very soft, and they're gonna taste like the mixture as well. And it's going to be delicious. Some mixture is trying to escape. We have 3 layers already. You can make this with as many layers as you like, and it depends obviously on the dish that you're using. And the biscuits are gonna be all soft and incorporated. All right guys, we're on the last layer, and I've just left a bit more mixture for the top. Just scrape it well from the mixer. This is the last layer. I made the last layer a bit thicker. And you can save some lemon zest to decorate it with. I didn't. I forgot. So we're just gonna decorate it with some crushed biscuits. And with this recipe, the world is your oyster. You can use mango. Mango is good in a Carlotta. You can use peaches, pineapple, literally anything you'd like. Let me know if you want one of the other recipes. If you want the Carlotta, the ananas, maybe if you want pineapple. So I crushed some biscuits, guys, caveman style, with my hands, as you can see. And now I'm using them to just decorate the top. Just gonna make a frame in the middle. And if you have some lemon zest, you can put it on top of the, lime zest. You can put it on top of the biscuits. I mean, you can definitely use lemon for this if you can't find limes. I know that they're a bit tricky to find sometimes. I just saw them in the shop the other day and I thought, I definitely have to make this recipe for you guys. So we are going to put this in the fridge to set for minimum 4 hours, but if you can, overnight. And yep, we're done. Promised you it was easy, and I always keep my promises. See you right now. And we are back with our dessert, and it looks amazing and it smells so nostalgic, and I can't wait to try it. I'm going to cut it. Yeah, it's firm. I left it in the fridge for about 3 hours, 4 hours maybe. This looks beautiful. Can't wait to try it, and I am sure it smells amazing. Taste test. Guys, this is the most interesting dessert I've tried in a while. It's so creamy, it's tangy, it's perfect. It's honestly, it's so good. You should really try it. It takes 5 minutes and you have the most perfect dessert. Alright guys, well, thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if there is any recipes that you would want me to make, and I will make them for you. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Bye!